Good morning, dear students. Okay. Very good morning. How are you? I hope all of you fine. Okay, now welcome to KRL Memorial CBSE School, Mudhol. I am your English teacher. My name is Geeta Mantur. Okay, this is 4th standard class. 4th standard class, subject English. Okay, subject English. Okay, listen here, students. In previous class, we will start fourth lesson. Lesson number 4, my neighbors, and we will learn also difficult words in this lesson. Okay, now in this class, we will start the lesson. Lesson number 4. Which lesson? Lesson number 4. Okay. Lesson name is My Neighbors. Okay. My neighbors. Okay. Now all of you open your textbook. Page number 34. Okay, page number 34. All of you open your textbook. I hope all of you open your textbook. So I will start now this lesson. My neighbors. Lesson number 4. My neighbors. See here. Lesson number 4. My neighbors. Okay. Already I say all about in this lesson. One of the character, one of the child, Manav. His name Manav. He say to his neighbors. He say to about his neighbors. Okay. Neighbors means nere horeya. Neighbors means nere horeya. ನೆರೆ ಹೊಡೆಯೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ನೇಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಲೆಸನ್. ಮೈ ನೇಬರ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ we will learn starter kit. Okay, work with the partner and name the marked parts of this house. Here, see this picture and name the marked parts of this house. Okay, discuss and work with your partner. Okay, now we will start the lesson. Now get set. Okay. Hi, my name is Manav. Hi, my name is Manav. Next, that's my house over there. It's the one that has a red roof and chimney. That's my house over there is the one that was a red roof and a chimney. My family was lived here all my life. My family was lived here all my life. We like living on this block. My neighbors, they are all very nice people. My neighbors, they are all very nice people. Mr. and Mrs. Roy live across the street. Mrs. and Mr. Roy live across the street. Mr. Roy fixed cars and trucks when my bike was broken. Mr. Roy fixed cars and trucks when my bike was broken. He fixed it for me. He fixed it for me. Mrs. Roy gives me music lessons. Mrs. Roy gives me music lessons. Okay. Miss Dr. Sudha lives down the street. Dr. Sudha lives down the street. She lives in the house that has some lovely Ashoka trees. She was my doctor when I was a baby. She would weigh me and measure me. When he was a baby, that time she would weigh me and measure him. Then she could thus tell how much I was growing. Sometimes she gave me shots too. Okay, Aunt Sheila Aunt Sheila lives next door to Mr. and Mrs. Roy. In her house, she has a porch swing. Porch swing means ಉಯ್ಯಾಲೆ. ಓಕೆ, ವರಾಂಡದೊಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಉಯ್ಯಾಲೆಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರ? ಪೋರ್ಚ್ ಸ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರ. ಓಕೆ, she isn't really my aunt. She isn't really my aunt, but she has known me ever since I was born. She has known me ever since I was born. Sheila auntie is a very old. She uses a cane when she walks. She is very kind and nice lady. She uses a cane. Cane means stick. Okay, stick ಅಂದ್ರ ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆ, ಮುದುಕರು ಕೈಯಾಗ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊತಾರಲ್ಲ ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರ? ಕೇನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರ. When she walks, she is a very kind and nice lady. Okay, Auntie Sheila is a very kind and nice lady. I love to help her. Manav love to help her. I take a dog for a walk. He take her dog for a walk every day. Next, we have a department store at the corner of our street. We have a department store at the corner of our street. Okay, Manav Street. Yesterday, I went there to buy milk and apples for Sheila auntie. While I was gone, she made pakoras. We sat on the porch swing and had pakoras together. Then we also had tea. Sheila auntie has an old book of stories. She read me some funny stories from the book. One story was about a man whose heart blew into the gorilla cage at the zoo. The gorilla put on the man's hat and wouldn't give it back. The best of all my neighbors lives next door. His name is Nitin. The house he lives in a painted light blue. Nitin and I are in the same class at school. We play in the same football team. It is a Sunday tomorrow and I am going to spend the day at Nitin's house. We shall camp out in the backyard of his house. Backyard means back compound for the house. Okay. His dad will put up a tent there under the big tree. We shall have a nice day together. Goodbye. Goodbye. I have to pack my things for the camp. Okay. Now we will start. Hi, my name is Manav. See here this picture. He is a Manav. He say to me or you. Okay, say to ours. Hi, my name is Manav. He is a Manav. Okay. That's my house over there. See here. That's his house over. Okay, this is Manav house. Okay, next it's the one that has a red roof and a chimney. See here, this is a chimney. Okay, this is a chimney and this is a red roof. Okay, red roof means ಮೇಲ್ಛಾವಣಿ. Chimney means ಮನೆ ಕಮಾನ್. ಒಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಆ ಕಮಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Okay, this is a chimney and it is red roof. This is a Manav house. Okay. Next, my family has lived here all my life. Manav family has lived here all their life. We like living on this block. He and his family very much like living on this block. Why they like? My neighbors are all very nice people. So they are like living on this block. Okay. He is Manav. Neighbors are all very nice people. Okay. Next. Mr. and Mrs. Roy live across the street. Okay, first Manav introduce one of the neighbor, Mrs. and Mr. and Mrs. Roy. Okay, first one is first neighbor Mrs. and Mr. Roy across the street. Okay, street means lane, gully. Okay. Mr. Roy fix cars and trucks. Mr. Roy have a trucks and cars. Okay, fix cars and trucks. When my bike was broken, he fixed it for me. When Manav his bike broken, that time he fixed Manav. Okay, who fixed that bike? Mr. Roy. Mr. Roy fixed his bike, Manav bike. Okay. Mr. Roy fixed cars and trucks. When Manav bike was broken, that time Mr. Rao fixed his bike. Okay. Mr. Roy gives me music lesson. See here, Mrs. Roy give him music lessons. Okay. She is a music teacher. See here, Mrs. Roy is a music teacher and she give him music lessons. Next, Mr. Roy is a fix cars and trucks. When his bike broken, that time Mr. Roy fixed his bike. Okay. Next, first one is Mr. Roy and Mrs. Roy. Okay, next. Dr. Sudha lives down the street. Okay, next one neighbor. Dr. Sudha. Okay, first one is Mr. Roy and Mrs. Roy. Next one is Dr. Sudha. Okay. Dr. Sudha lives down the street. She lives in the house that has some lovely Ashoka trees. She was my doctor when I was a baby. She would weigh me and measure me. She could thus tell how much I was growing. Sometimes she gave me shots too. See here. First, Mr. and Mrs. Roy. He introduced Mr. and Mrs. Roy. Next one, he introduced Dr. Sudha. Dr. Sudha lives down the street. Next, she lives in the house that has some lovely Ashoka. Dr. Sudha has some lovely Ashoka trees. Okay, she has some lovely Ashoka trees. Next, she was my doctor when I was a baby. When Manav was a baby, that time Dr. Sudha is a doctor. Okay. Next, she would weigh me and measure me. Dr. Sudha measure and weigh for Manav. Okay. She measure and weigh for Manav. Okay. When he was baby. Next, she could thus tell how much I was growing. She could tell how much he was growing. He means Manav was growing. Sometimes she gave me shots too. Dr. Sudha sometimes gave to Manav shots too. Okay. Next, first one is Mr. and Mrs. Roy. Next one is Dr. Sudha. When he was baby, that time she measure and weigh for Manavs. Okay. Next one, neighbors. Aunt Sheila. Third one, Aunt Sheila. Okay. Aunt Sheila lives next door to Mr. and Mrs. Roy. See here, Aunt Sheila lives next door into Mr. Roy and Mrs. Roy. Mr. and Mrs. Roy is first one neighbors. Okay, they are all. First, Mr. Roy is fixed car and trucks. Okay, and Mrs. Roy is a music teacher. Okay, she is in front of their house. Okay, Aunt Sheila lives next door to Mr. and Mrs. Roy in her house. Okay. She has a porch swing. She has a porch swing. Porch swing means, see here this picture. This is a porch swing. Means uyale. Okay. Porch swing means uyale. She has a porch swing. Next, she isn't really my aunt, but she has known me ever since I was born. See here, she is not only a aunt. She isn't really my aunt. Manav say she isn't really, that she Aunt Sheila isn't really. He is one of aunt, but she has no. Sheila aunt no is. She know me ever since I was born. When Aunt Sheila know to him since born. Okay, next, Sheila auntie is a very old. Sheila auntie is a very old lady. Okay, very old. Sheila auntie is a very old. Then she uses a cane when she walks. That Aunt Sheila uses cane when she walks. Cane means stick. Okay, stick. She uses a stick when she walks. Then she is a very kind and nice lady. That Aunt Sheila is a very kind and nice lady. Kind and nice lady. Okay, and she is very old. I love to help her. Manav love to help her always. Okay, I take her dog for a walk every day. Manav take her dog for a walk every day. He was going to walk every day. That time he took her dog. Okay, we have a department store at the corner of our street. Manav and his neighbors have a department store at the corner of our street, corner of their street. Okay, see here first. First one is, he introduced Mr. Roy and Mrs. Roy. Okay, Mr. Roy fixed cars and trucks when his bike was blowing. That time he fixed his bike. Okay, next, Mrs. Roy is a music teacher. Sometimes he gave him music lessons. Okay, next one is Dr. Sudha. Dr. Sudha is lives down street and she lives in house that has some lovely Ashoka tree. Dr. Sudha has some Ashoka trees. She has some Ashoka trees and she was my doctor. She is a Mano doctor and she would wait and measure Manav. Okay, then she could thus tell how much I was growing. Sometimes he gave me shorts too. Next one, he introduced Aunt Sheila. She is a very old lady and she uses cane when she was walk, and Manav daily going to walk. That time he took her dog. Okay, took her dog and he always loved to help her. Okay, Aunt Sheila know to him still until a baby. Okay, now we will stop this lesson. Okay, remaining lesson we will continue next class. Okay, I hope all of you understood today's lesson. Okay, he is only say for his neighbors. Okay, all about in this lesson he say his neighbors, about his neighbors. Okay, today he introduced to me. He introduced to me. First one is Mr. and Mrs. Roy. Second one is Dr. Sudha, and third one is Auntie Sheila. Okay, next we will continue next class. Okay, I hope all of you understood this lesson. Thank you one and all, and we will continue next class, remaining lesson. Okay, thank you one and all. We will meet next class. Okay.